Hi students, welcome to Physical Education and Health Education. Now we are going to know about physical activities. Dear students, all the physical activities and yoga asanas practice very much. Now we are going to learn. Today we are going to discuss about running. What is about benefits of running? We are already discussed about walking and also a benefit of walking like improvement of blood circulations, reduced diseases, risk of heart stroke, lungs functions, kidney functions are increased by walking. Now we are going to discuss about running. There are number of benefits in running. According to new research in the journal Nature Communications, running regularly train your central nervous system. This is important because the nervous system can learn over time to activate your muscles in a manner that produces energetically efficient forms of running. Regular exercises like running has ample benefits for your cardiovascular system as well as muscle mass and bone density. But that is not all. A recent study found you can tone up your nervous system too. Running every day may have some health benefits, but the same research also shows that these benefits top off at 4 to 5 hours a week, meaning there is no need to run for hour each day. Running is a high impact exercise and overtraining can lead to injuries such as stress, fractures and shin splits. Felsen says that suggests to that running is actually healthy for the joint long term studies so that running does not appear to damage knee, but researchers cause that if you have had a knee surgery or if you have more than 20 pounds overweight, you should not jump right into an intensive running routine. Running is more important to health. In the running, important is footwork, long distance running, short distance running, speed running. This is not correct. This is not correct to run. This is right way of to run. This is right method. This is also right method. Toes running. The foot are not on the flat. Only run on the toe. And also your breathing. Normal breathing. Breathe in and breathe out by nose or breathe in nose and breathe out by mouth or breathe in and breathe out mouth. This is the breathings. Running is more important to footwork and breathing. When the breathing is three stages, finishing stage, middle stage and starting stage. These three stages are more important to breathing. There are three stages of breathing. 1. At the time of starting of the running, breathe in and breathe out through the nose. In the middle of running, breathe in by nose and breathe out by mouth. At the time of finishing of the running, breathe in and breathe out by mouth. So, dear students, know about running and practice running and get healthy. Thank you. Write notes and post the pics.